Welcome once again to our Tagalog learning lessons. This is Miss Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSCD MSCD, speaking to you all via the video. New York City school teacher here in the USA, who I am, author, writer of 22 books, yes, 22, and two of them are right here in front of you, Mom and Chef, Nanay Nene Teodora of Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes written by her daughter speaking to you over the video. Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, PSCD, MSCD. And my first book, Speak Tagalog, a basic primer written by yours truly, Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSCD, MSCD. And ABC, Miss Gutierrez is a special teacher, is a gift from my students. A Filipino was born here in New York City and a valedictorian. And those of you who are asking what BSCD MSCD means, it's a Bachelor of Science in Education. I graduated at the University of the East in Manila, Philippines, together with all of my brothers and sisters from elementary, high school, all the way to our college graduation. And I'm also a university professor, recommended by my professor. MSCD, Master of Science in Education. I graduated here at Fordham University here in Manhattan, New York City, New York, USA, where I'm a New York City school teacher for so many years. In Tagalog, ako po ay guro ng napakatagal sa Pilipinas din sa Pamantasan ng Silangan, University of the East. Pagkatapos ko pong gumraduate, inirekomenda ako ng aking profesor. Outstanding teacher din po ako palagi, maski dito po sa Nueva York. At ako po ay trainer, nagsasanay ng mga guro dito po sa New York City. At marami pa pong iba. You will find all my books worldwide at Amazon, Ex Libris, Barnes & Nobles. Ito pong Speak Tagalog, outskirtspress.com, available. And at my two websites, Juanita Gutierrez, BSCDMSCD.com, JuanitaGutierrez.com, and all online stores. Now, are you ready to learn another parts of speech? Parts, bahagi in Tagalog, of, ng in Tagalog. Speech, pananalita in Tagalog. Now, I have shown you in the previous video the 9 parts of speech. Naipakita ko sa inyo sa unang video ang bahagi ng pananalita ay siyam. And the 5th one is pang-abay. Pang-abay, in English, adverb. And what is an adverb? It modifies verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. In Tagalog, nagbibigay. Ang pang-abay o adverb ay nagbibigay turing sa pandiwa, verb, in English, pandiwa, pang-uri, adjectives, in English, at kapwa pang-abay, or other adverbs. Example, let's see here. I'm holding my camera at the same time. In Tagalog, ang mga mag-aaral ay tahimik na nakikinig. In English, the students are silently listening. Tahimik, pang-abay. Pandiwa ay tahimik. That's an example of pang-abay. Ito ang halimbawa ng pang-abay o adjective. Adverb. Let's review parts of speech. Bahagi, parts in English, ng, of in English, pananalita, speech in English. Number 5, pang-abay. Pang-abay, adverb in English. Modify verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. In Tagalog, ang pang-abay ay nagbibigay turing sa pandiwa, verbs. Pang-uri, adjectives. At kapwa, pang-abay, or other adverbs. Example, halimbawa, ang mga mag-aaral ay tahimik na nakikinig. Tahimik, halimbawa ng pang-abay. Ang pandiwa ay, in English, the students are silently listening. I hope you learn pang-abay in Tagalog. See you in the next video. Magkita ulit po tayo. Marami pong salamat sa lahat ng mga nagsusubscribe sa akin at mag-subscribe po kayo kung kayo po ay may panahon, kung ibig po ninyo. At nagpapasalamat po ako sa lahat ng aking subscribers. In English, I'm so very thankful to all my wonderful subscribers, those who like, shares, comments, and subscribe. And please subscribe if you have not already done so. And I appreciate you all deep in my heart. Thank you all for watching. See you all again. Blessings of Christ, love and light. Ibig sabihin po ng Christ ay mapagmahal. In English, the word Christ means unconditional love. Thank you all for watching. See you all again. God bless. I am presence. Bless us all in love and light.